Ka warango weche moko wayudo kanyo ni riwruoge mago mamoko mabende romo 20 ma kedo ne ratich oganda e pacho kae owuok oko kendo gi kwedo malich mokalo duokruok kaachiel kod ayany mano mabende osebedo kaneno e lela moloyo to e kind josiasa mago madito e pacho kae ka mane otimore achien en mano mabende ne omulo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaachiel kod Rigathi Gachagua. Jotelogo kata jokedne ratirogo mabende ne nitiere kod romo kamoro ni Lukenya ei Athi River wacho ni aduoka makamano kata ayenje maket koda mano en mano mabende thiro apisi mano maduong' mogika mano mabende yudore e pacho kae. Negi wacho ni okang' maket koda mano en mano mabende nyalo pogo oganda jo Kenya e pacho kae kendo ber ka timbe maket koda mago opogruok godo moloyo to e kind josiasa mapacho kae.
Toomba ni kwamba tuangalie sana kwa makini hususan chapter 6 yetu katika constitution yetu ya Kenya ambao inazungumzia maadili. Tuna watoto ambao wanatazama runinga zetu na kusikiza redio zetu na vile vile kupitia katika mitandao tofauti ambao akiona mifano kama ile kutoka kwa afisi kubwa sana katika nchi hii, tunapata mifano michafu sana ambao tunaambukiza watoto wetu. Kwa hiyo hatujapata mfano mzuri sana tangu jana hadi leo ambao ni matusi machafu hayafai katika mtu yote hususan katika uongozi wa nchi hii. Ni hayo ambao naweza sema kwamba jamani, sote wa Kenya tuna jukumu ya kuzingatia chapter 6 katika katiba yetu ya Kenya.
Respect and give honor to the office of the presidency. The conduct that continues to degrade the presidency is appalling. An institution and symbol of national unity that belongs to all Kenyans, as espoused in Article 131 of the 2010 Constitution. Article 73 of the Constitution is unambiguous. Authority assigned to a state officer is a public trust. It must bring honor to the nation and dignity to the office. It vests in the office the responsibility to serve the people and not the power to rule them. We therefore demand that the President and all political leaders exercise language, conduct, and leadership worthy of the offices they hold. Chapter 6 is not merely an ornamental chapter of the Constitution, but a guiding light for our leaders on their conduct in their political offices. The presidency is not a personal platform. It is a constitutional trust. Kenyans require political hygiene from the top and across all political actors.